ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loomso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
General Secretary ke United Democratic Party Dr. Jemino Mawthoh haka arpu santarik ubanai kela lingkot arajar arpu ar. Ula ong baki breu ki babat ya ula kam sensyar ki dei ban Peitngor khnang baka Jingkhaïi to ya Dewïong nege jela kam dei shu ban Peitngor. Haka jingya keren bat ka Batisi TV Dr. Jemino Mawthoh ula ong ru baka UDP kam shimla ngap menti hanrei kala keren ka por shakapor haka bayadei bat ka jingjor shabapalat ka Jingkhaïi to ya Dewïong bat kam tam hadin baki nong bala ba lui kila doe yala ka jingem haka jingklem jong ka kremti Dewïong ha East Gentia Hills District haki snem baladem.
They should have never kept quiet as far as the illegal coal transportation and mining is concerned, because right from day one, when those when innocent victims or laborers died in those coal mining areas and all that, we had reacted, and whenever we noticed that or know that illegal coal transportation is going on, illegal mining, we had reacted strongly. We feel that this any form of illegalities should not be tolerated. See, we have the government, we have those who are enforcing the law, right? They should take care to see that no illegalities is there at the ground level. A lot of allegations has been there that even top officials are involved in all this racket. I'm not saying yes or no, because I don't know, but maybe it is there also. Because if it is not there, how can things happen in broad daylight also? How can such things happen in broad daylight? And you have seen time and again, different groups, individuals have raised their concern about this illegal transportation and all kinds of illegalities happening in the state. So we don't want any kind of lawlessness, to be there in the state of Meghalaya. We have the government, we have the law enforcers, we have people who can keep track of all these things, and the people, the public also has a right to know. But you cannot do things blatantly, because people have been alleging, people have been talking about these things time and again, so it must be true also. It's not that I'm denying the fact that this is not happening, okay? Because there are cases, there are instances that these type of illegal activities is happening. I'm not denying the fact. So what I'm trying to say is that such things should be nipped in the bud, and it should not be, should not happen again, should not recur in future. Because see, people, citizens in the state, they have to trust on the lawmakers, on the government. Okay. Now, if that trust is no longer there, just imagine what will be the thinking or the feeling when we talk about the common people. What will they think? What will they feel? We have elected a government, so we need. If there is a systems failure, we need to correct the system. We need to bring in corrective measures in the system. We cannot allow things to happen. Everyone is allowed to do whatever he or she likes, then I think it'll be chaotic. And we don't want that kind of chaos, in our state. I think we can set things right, we can do things right, and those who have violated, they should be penalized, they should be booked. Government time and again, whenever there are allegations, they have constituted these inquiry committees. But sad to say, when we talk about these inquiry committees, I don't know why it took so long, for the report to come out. Now this is something which is a cause of concern, because the people have the right to know, the public have the right to know what is going on. See, whether you talk of MECL, whether you talk about the killing of Charistaful, you talk about the rice scam, You talk about anything that has happened in the state, all these unfortunate incidents. Whenever there is an inquiry constituted, I think the report also should not be too long. Let the people know, because the public also have a right to know. No, you cannot go on like this and prolong, and then after 1-2 years everything will be forgotten. So we feel that whatever inquiry committee that has been constituted, let the report come out. Because the people have a right to know. It has done their part, so let us wait and see also. And then later on, maybe we can discuss in the party also. If we feel that nothing comes out of it, then I think we have to ask for an independent probe. Nothing wrong. I feel there's nothing wrong in asking for an independent inquiry also. A lot of talks has been there about these illegalities and all that is happening. So why not? Let us be open to all these things. The people also have a right to know. The public has a right to know. We're not defending anybody. We're not defending the government. We're not defending any individuals. Right? Anybody who has done something which is wrong, let them be penalized. Let them be booked. What is wrong with that? Apprise the elected representatives who are there. We will tell them about the concern shared by party leaders and party functionaries also, and by the people in the state. So we would like to urge them also at in these different forums that they'll be interacting at the government level. Let them also talk and deliberate on this thing. Serious matter, and it is a serious concern expressed by one and all in the state. Allow these things to happen. Mukul Sangma said also, he's right in one way, because if there's a delay, means there will be no report, and it'll take time also for the report to come in, and then people are disgruntled. Different groups who have asked for these reports, the different inquiries, inquiry committees, right? Now they are also disappointed. They are also disgruntled. So I feel that the government has to facilitate the inquiry, so that the truth will come out in the open.